Are you looking for a video editor? Hi, my name is Syedus Salhinjai and it seems you need a video editor. My day job is cinematography, but at night I am Dracula. Just kidding. I just love to edit videos. I can basically do that every other editor can do. Cut, zoom, color, and basically make your videos raw. But I can do some other magic for you. Like this. Like this. Or like this. Looking for green screen edits? That's correct. Will be done. Multiple candidates? Easy peasy. Maybe some sound effects. Split screen? Maybe some dual-thirds. Or maybe you just want some subtitles. I can change the color of your video, the feel of your video. By making your videos interesting, clickable, and engaging, my job is to make you happy and create these magics just for you with a little bit of touch of mine. Am I going too fast? Let me make it a bit slow and cinematic for you. As you can see, my videos are a bit different. If this is what you want, what are you waiting for? Just drop me a message.